This is one species of cranium called Crinium defixum. Defixum, I think it is called. The correct name I write on the title of the video. This one is a river lily. That is, it grows in river sides and all. One of that cranium species, specialized cranium species, and there are a couple of them that grow in the riverine places. Among them, this is one, and it does very well in the garden. We have planted underneath the coconut tree, and in this monsoon season, flowers every day. Some aromatic flowers will be there. That's how it looks.